So my name's David Lott. I'm President and CEO here at VEERUM.
I'm Rob Selden. I'm Chief Technology Officer at VEERUM.
My name is Scott Benish. I'm the Vice President of Capital Projects with VEERUM.
If you look at the construction space overall, it's one of the last mega industries to see any real gains in productivity as a result of adopting technology.
We needed to be able to figure out how to bring these projects in on budget and on schedule. The stats are in big capital projects, especially industrial projects, over 90% of them go over budget.
Majority of that is happening as a result of schedule slip and rework happening in the field.
The problem is there's so many people and so many moving parts that it's very difficult to have reality actually follow the plan exactly.
We're still moving paper copies of progress reports. We're still getting components showing up that are out of tolerance and don't meet quality specifications. And we're learning about these impacts in these big projects way too late.
So if we can avoid these small problems that manifest into big problems, people will work in a planned fashion and they'll work safely.
The biggest problems in the construction industry are also the biggest opportunities.
We are creating a digital twin technology which matches reality to the plan.
A digital twin itself, it's a digital replica of a physical asset.
So you can confirm every day that what's actually happening in the field is exactly as per the plan. And if it's not, you can identify what's different and fix it early in the project before it becomes very costly.
From my perspective, the industry's really hit a tipping point. If you look back just 2 years ago, reality data capture was cost prohibitive. Cutting-edge technologies like digital twins were just proofs of concept.
We've got a tremendous advantage being right here in Calgary with a lot of fantastic companies in energy and mining and utility that are leveraging our technology that we get to learn from and produce additional features and benefits to them.
Our ability to do so securely at scale for large enterprises is unmatched in this industry.
The world keeps growing, the world needs infrastructure, the world needs a better way to do things, and we're a part of that solution, so that's exciting.